This year is not a year of joke. It's a year of fight. It's a year of fight. And listen to me. You pray for Nigeria because riot, confusion everywhere. This year is a year party fight, party, trouble upon trouble, case upon case, gone upon gone. I see where there's someone coffee. Given about this is it coffee? And people ignore the coffee, say what coffee, and come out to protest what they want without even care. It's a year to be prayerful, because this year the confusion I'm seeing this year have never been before since Nigeria began. I'm telling you, since freedom come,